Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect Payoneer to Shopify. Open your Shopify on your browser. On your bottom left, navigate to Settings. Then from here, go to Payments. Over here, you can see your supported payment methods. And as you can see, I already have PayPal. What we want to do is add Payoneer over here. To do that, on Payment Providers on the top, click Choose a Provider. On the search box, just type in Payoneer. Over here, you can see this Payoneer checkout. Just simply click on that. Click it again. On the top, click Install. And click Install over here to install the app. You will be taken to the Payoneer site. If you already have an account, just log into your account. But in our case, I don't have an account. So we need to click this Register on the top and fill out this one. Once you're done, click Submit. If you go back to your Shopify, you can see here that it is not linked yet. We have to wait for it to be authorized, and then after that, you can link it again to your Shopify. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.